Can you believe a customer ordered okra soup for 25 people? Come with me as I prepare this large order from start to finish. First, I'm getting all my ingredients ready because good preparation makes cooking much easier. I'm adding each ingredient step by step to build the perfect flavor. This soup is made with love, care, and attention to every detail. Now, bestie, let's see how I turn these ingredients into a delicious meal everyone will enjoy. When I received an order for okra soup to serve 25 people, I was excited and grateful. Large order like this remind me how far my food business has come. Once the pot was on the fire, the kitchen slowly filled with the rich aroma of spices and fresh ingredients. This is one of my favorite parts of cooking, the moment everything starts coming together. Always know that every ingredient matters when you are cooking for a special customer. When I added the red oil, I add a little bit of obolo to make it more tasty. Here I added my onions, my tatashi, which makes it so delicious. Then I start by sauteing my okra. The first okra I added was the chopped little ones. I stir it until everything come together. Then I add my meat, the assorted meat I used, cow tail, cow skin, dry fish. Hey bestie, step by step, our soup began to take shape. The okra gave it that beautiful texture and the flavor blended perfectly. This order is more than just food. It is hard work, dedication, and passion served in every spoonful. Cooking for 25 is not always easy, but seeing the final result makes all the effort worthwhile. Knowing that families and friends will gather around this meal brings me joy. At this point, I added my mushroom, bitter leaf, my crayfish, and the ubehi, and other things, which the pepper. Here, I added my final okra. This is the best way to cook okra soup, and your guests will enjoy it. The soup is finally ready, and I couldn't be happier with how it turns out. Thank you for joining me on this cooking journey, and thank you to my wonderful customer for trusting me with this special order. You can see how happy I am. Thank you.